Hi guys, my name's Kaylee, here from Arena Wild Tribe. I put together this video for you as part of your home learning, to help you get outdoors as much as you can. Ideas and activities to enjoy and learn right here in nature. Today I challenge you. Can you build and play a nature board game? Today we construct it. This is my maths mate, Moly Moly. Say hi, Moly Moly. Yo! Moly Moly the maths mole is here today to share with you his set of nature board games. A set of 3 board games that are each great fun to play, require strategy to win, and get your maths brain working. How to play the games. Game 1. 5 moles. 2 players. Player 1, black. Player 2, white. Place your pieces, or moles, on opposite sides of the board. The central 2 squares are known as the sacred mole hill. Pieces are moved anti-clockwise on the roll of a die. You may only land on an empty space or in the sacred mole hill squares. Black roll. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I may not make that move. I cannot land on another piece. Ooh, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, may not make that move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, I may make that move because I've landed inside the sacred molehill square. The first player to assemble all of their 5 pieces in the sacred molehill square wins. Game 2. 3 moles. 2 players. Player 1, black. Player 2, white. Like the game tic-tac-toe or noughts and crosses, players take turns to place their pieces, or moles, on the game board, aiming to make a row of 3. Pieces are placed where lines meet. Once all of the pieces are placed, black, white, black, white, black, white, black, white. Gameplay continues, moving to empty spaces. Successfully make a row of 3. Oh. Row of 3. And you can remove one of your opponent's pieces from the game. Yoink. Continue until one player cannot possibly make any rows of 3, as they simply do not have enough pieces left in play. Game 3. 9 moles. 2 players. Player 1, black. Player 2, white. Play just like the previous game, Game 2, only you have 9 playing pieces, or moles, each. Place your pieces where lines meet, aiming again to make a row of 3. Black, white, black, white, black. Row of 3. Successfully make a row of 3 and you can remove one of your opponent's pieces from the game. Yoink! Continue until one player cannot possibly make any rows of 3, as they simply do not have enough pieces left in play. Instruction card. A copy is included with the video to download and print. How to construct the games. Game playing pieces. The simplest way of constructing your game playing pieces is to use rocks, stones or pebbles. A total of 34 game playing pieces will be required. Paint. Half of your playing pieces will remain white or plain. Half of your playing pieces will need to be painted black using paint, felt tip pens or colouring pencils. Why not jazz it up with a choice of 2 vibrant colours? Instead of black and white playing pieces, choose your 2 favourite colours. Paint. Half of your playing pieces will remain white. Half of your playing pieces will need to be painted black using paint, felt tip pens or colouring pencils. Why not jazz it up with a choice of 2 vibrant colours? Instead of black and white playing pieces, choose your 2 favourite colours. Game boards. Game 1. Game board, wood or fabric piece, measuring 25 centimetres in length by 10 centimetres in height. Measure and mark it. Divide into 10 equal sections, an array of 2 by 5. Measure the total height, 10 centimetres. Find half of this measurement. 10 centimetres divided by 2 equals 5 centimetres. And mark it. Repeat on each end. Join up the marks. Measure the total length. 25 centimetres. Find a fifth of this measurement. 25 centimetres divided by 5 equals 5 centimetres. Mark every 5 centimetres along the length of the top and bottom of the wood or fabric piece. 5, 10, 15, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. Join up the marks. Use a ruler and be accurate. Game board 1, job done. Game 2, game board, wood or fabric piece, measuring 14 centimetres by 14 centimetres. Measure it and mark it. Measure 2 centimetres up and from the bottom left corner, mark with a dot. Measure 2 centimetres in from the bottom left corner. 2 up, 2 in. Mark it with a dot. Measure 2 centimetres down and 2 centimetres across from the top left corner. Mark it with a dot. Join with a straight line to form side 1 of the border. Measure 2 centimetres up and 2 centimetres in from the bottom right corner. Mark it with a dot. Measure 2 centimetres down and 2 centimetres in from the top right corner. Mark it with a dot. Join with a straight line to form side 2 of our border. Ruler, top line, ruler, bottom line. Border complete. Measure the total height of the border. 10 centimetres. Find half of this measurement. 10 centimetres divided by 2 equals 5 centimetres, and mark. Repeat on each end. Join up the marks. Measure the total length of the top of the border. 10 centimetres. Find half of this measurement. 10 centimetres divided by 2 equals 5 centimetres, and mark it. Repeat on the bottom of the border. Join up the marks. Draw 2 diagonal lines to complete the game board. Bottom left corner to top right corner. Bottom right corner to top left corner. Use a ruler and be accurate. Game board 2, job done. Game 3. Game board, wood or fabric piece. Measuring 26 centimetres by 26 centimetres. Measure it and mark it. Measure 3 centimetres up and 3 centimetres in from the bottom left corner. Mark with a dot. Measure 3 centimetres down and 3 centimetres in from the top left corner. Mark it with a dot. Join with a straight line to form side 1 of border 1. Measure 3 centimetres up and 3 centimetres down from the bottom right corner. Up, across, mark it with a dot. Measure 3 centimetres down and 3 centimetres in from the top right corner. 3 down, 3 in, mark it with a dot. Join with a straight line to form side 2 of border 1. Ruler, top line. Ruler, bottom line. Border 1 complete. Measure 3 centimetres up and 3 centimetres in from the bottom left corner of border 1. 3 up, 3 in, mark it with a dot. Repeat around in the top left, bottom right and top right. 3 down, 3 in, mark it with a dot. 3 up, 3 in, dot. 3 down, 3 in, dot. Ruler straight lines. Side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4 of our second border. Border 2 complete. Measure 3 centimetres up and 3 centimetres in from the bottom left corner, this time of border 2. 3 up, 3 in, dot. Repeat around. 3 down, 3 in, dot. 3 up, 3 in, dot. 3 down, 3 in, dot. Ruler, straight lines, side 1, 2, 3, and 4. Border 3, complete. Border 1. Measure the length of the bottom side. 20 centimetres. Find half of this measurement. 20 centimetres divided by 2 equals 10 centimetres. Mark with a dot. Draw a straight line up, stopping at border 3. Repeat with the top side of border 1. Measure half, straight line, stopping at border 3. Repeat with the left and right side of border 1. Left. Measure halfway, line in, stopping at border 3. Measure half, line in, stopping at border 3. Use a ruler and be accurate. Game board 3, job done. Whether wooden or fabric, it matters not. You're ready now to play it. You're now ready to play your constructed games at home with family members. So that's all for today. Thanks, Moly Moly. Yo. Do give today's challenge a go. Enjoy your nature board games. Have a great fun time playing them. And remember, look after yourself, look after each other, look after the environment. Bye for now.